How to install NordVPN application for Amazon Fire. To install the NordVPN application for your Amazon Fire device, you can follow these steps. Turn on your Fire TV and load up the home screen. Navigate to the magnifying glass icon at the top and select it. Enter NordVPN into the search bar and select the NordVPN app. It should be the first result. Click the Get button and wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Click the Open button to launch the app. Log in with your NordVPN account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Allow the app to access your device's location and VPN settings. Choose a server to connect to or let the app pick the best one for you. Enjoy the benefits of NordVPN on your Amazon Fire device. Learn more, get the fastest VPN for your Kindle Fire NordVPN. https://nordvpn.com/download/Kindle